Welcome back. It's 7:54 now. So, of course, for months, we'd been staying at home to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in our communities and to protect our health.
But experts say that staying at home may actually take a toll on our cardiovascular system. So to talk about what we can do to give our bodies a boost, we're now joined by Dr. Courtney Krathen. She's a cardiologist at Deborah Heart and Lung Center. So first, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you for having me. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I need you to talk to us a little bit about how quarantine has actually impacted our heart and lungs.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a big topic, and I think it's time to kind of start shedding light on it. A lot of people have been, we've had to stay at home during this difficult time, and people have missed their regularly scheduled doctor's appointments, especially with their cardiologists. And, this has really taken a toll on us being able to lay eyes on our patients every, 6 months or so that have very critical heart conditions like heart failure, coronary artery disease. But also, I think just for humans all over, we've lost our routine, and our heart likes routine. So, getting back to this kind of routine and getting back to your regularly scheduled visits with your physician is really, really vital.
So true, Courtney, because this whole thing has really thrown so many of us out of whack, really. With so many things that we have been doing daily and part of our routine, those routines for so many people are just out the window. So we have some tips now to kind of get us healthy and back into shape. We want to bring some of them up for us now. So one of them, let's talk a little bit about it. Exercise, as you had alluded to, and just start slowly, right?
Yeah, definitely getting back to regular exercise is vital. I think starting slow, as you're getting back into it, starting slow, listening to your body, mixing up the workouts is going to be the best in reintegrating.
And the next tip that you have on there is to focus on eating healthy. I know a lot of us have struggles doing that because we're going back and forth to the refrigerator every couple of minutes. But how would you recommend us helping with that?
Yeah, definitely going back to just the basics. I mean, lots of fresh vegetables, lean meats. Also, like you said, having breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack, not, going back and getting second portions of maybe that heavy pasta dinner. And also, I think an important part is we've kind of lost track of time with the pandemic, and having mimosa at 10 o'clock in the morning probably isn't the best idea. So, all those are important, but really taking, a real sense of ownership in this and sticking to 3 meals a day and healthy snacks is important.
How about a Bloody Mary? Is that better than a mimosa at 10 a.m.?
Unfortunately, no.
Oh, okay. All right. Sorry. Just wondering. So thinking about your sleep, that's the third one. That's the next tip. Talk about that one.
So important. I feel like all of these tips are so important. Your regular sleep schedule is so underestimated and so very important. Getting up in the morning, taking a shower, getting into fresh clothes. I know this is going to be new for a lot of us, but doing that's so important, feeling good about the day. And then when it's time to wind down after dinner, turning off the phone, turning off the TV, minimizing the screen time, doing restful exercises, and getting that good 8 hours of sleep. Your heart's going to love that. You're going to start feeling better, and you're going to start feeling more like yourself.
So true, so true.
And the last tip, probably my favorite one, is to keep a positive attitude.
Absolutely. This one, we all could, use a little reminder and just staying happy, staying cheerful. Knowing that we came together and, we're getting through this and we are going to get through it. And realizing that a lot of people are going through a lot of struggles during this time. Mental health issues are very important to at least, just know about, and really being kind to people. I think it really comes down to that, being cheerful and just be kind to people out there.
That's an important reminder. That's great, Courtney. And also, just a reminder, too, stay with your normal checkups. Keep them scheduled, right? So where can people go to get more information on all these tips?
Yeah, definitely. I would honestly start by reconnecting with your primary care doctor, with your cardiologist. A lot of times the cardiologist is somebody's primary care doctor in most cases. Reconnecting with them, getting in to see them, letting them lay eyes on you, letting them listen to your heart, listen to your lungs. I can't stress that enough. I really can't.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us. We definitely appreciate all those tips that you gave us.
Of course. Have a great day.
You too.
Well, coming up, keeping